What's up, guys? This is knivesplus.com. We got some new knives to take a look at today. These are Artisan Cutlery. It's called the Tradition, and it's a new line that we brought in, and they're imported from China. Really nice price point on these guys, around 50 bucks. Really smooth. Craftsmanship on these is just fantastic. Fit and finish is very nice. They open and close, just a smooth action on there. This, like I said, this is called the Tradition. This is the original size, which is about a 5-inch closed knife, close to like a Spyderco Endura. It is going to weigh a little bit more. You can get in a couple different variations as well: black, G10, orange, and then an OD green here. You can also get it, which I'll do another video on it. This is a carbon fiber, and it does have the S35 VN blade still on this guy. Same frame and everything, but kind of a step up if you're wanting some nicer materials. But for like an EDC or something like that, this would be a great knife. It is, like I said, a larger knife, 9 inches overall. Has about a 4-inch blade, nice drop point blade, made out of D2. You can see the stonewash on it, so it's got a nice finish. I mean, just everything's very crisp and clean on this knife. Couple cutouts for the fingers here. Really great ergonomics on it. Feels good in the hand. You could really do some pretty heavy duty work with this if you wanted. It's got about a little over 6 ounce weight on it, so like I said, it is a heavier duty knife. Nice thick steel liners in there as well. You do have accented kind of, you know, blue hardware on there, kind of a nice little touch. Flipper on it, like I said, just flips right open. It rides on a ceramic bearing, and just nice, man. I really don't, I mean, I don't know how they make these knives for 50 bucks. I really don't. And people can still make money on them. So you do have matching back spacers here, kind of extends out for your lanyard as well. The orange one, they keep it orange, and same with the green. So really neat there as well. G10 handle, and like I said, these sell for around 50 bucks. They are in stock at knivesplus.com, and I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knivesplus.com to learn more.